told my wife that this was the best girlfriend that I've ever had. I'm not a cheater, but if you don't mind, I don't mind cheating with this one. She said it's okay.
Can't go wrong. As long as she get okay.
Yeah, mama give her approval, it's all right.
What's the name of your business and how long you been in business?
Well, the name of my business is Pop's Grilling. This is our 3rd year. We've been blessed tremendously, and we're here to say God's good. We give this business back to Him because the gifts that He gave us. So we enjoy what we do.
Well, being in the game 3 years and having a setup like this, how did that come about?
Well, it took some humbling and patience because you find it's not all about what you want, it's when you need it. And when you're going through the Lord, He's going to give you your desires if you wait for Him. So that's what we did. We tried to get this about 8-9 years ago. It was not the right time. So He gave it to us when it was time for us.
How you being road to here?
Well, it was a learning process because we got put in a small building, and it was sometimes you have to go that route to learn what it is you need to perfect. So we learned it. We started, we were as green as the grass, but the gift was great in the end. And right now we're just waiting to see our kids come in and take over this thing. God said, I'll let you start it, but that's the way the race runs. Yeah, but they know the ropes. They not ready yet, and we can't force them. So we enjoy working with them, and they enjoy coming down watching us work. And eventually they'll get it.
You said you started off brick and mortar.
We started brick and mortar. We don't have brick and mortar right now, but we would love to own one that we could call home.
You got a unique setup. Like explain this setup from I've never seen the grill. I've seen the grill on the outside of the truck. I've never seen it setup inside the truck.
This is pretty much the way, if I owned a building, this is the same setup that I would like to own a brick and mortar. I like to be able to cook my stuff inside, separate from the service side of the building, but let everybody smell what's going on. That's the name of the game.
So what made you cooking?
Passion. I moved down here and everybody just wanted to eat the food, and I didn't mind cooking. So cooking is just something that soothes me, and I feel better when I'm doing it.
What was you, if you don't mind me asking, what was you doing before this?
I was in the schools industry as a custodian, and I got great pleasure out of that because I was around the kids every day, and they needed someone to talk to. I needed somebody to talk to, and that was how that happened. A lot of this started with them because they always wanted to taste what I cooked. You know, what better than see the smile on somebody's face after they eat something good? And I can't afford to cook nothing without asking God to touch it. And when that happens, I know when they eat the food they eat a blessing from Him. So that's the main thing. That's me doing what He asked me to do. And give all my blessings back to Him.
Where the name Pops came from?
Well, that came from one of my kids. Called me Pops, but then in Atlanta, everybody else started calling me Pops. So my daughter just said this would be a good name for the business.
Man, this is Pops Grilling. Pleasure to meet you.
All righty, God bless you, my man.